The 2A223J capacitor is a type of film capacitor commonly used in electronic circuit for filtering, coupling and decoupling processes. The number 223 on the capacitor represents its capacitance value using the Electronic Industrial Alliance. In this code, the first two digits are the significant figures and the third digit tells the how many zeros to add. So here the 22 and the 3 means 22,000 picofarad, which is equal to 22 nanofarad or 0.022 microfarad. The letter J in the code refers to the tolerance of the capacitor. In this case, the J means tolerance of 5%, which is indicating that the actual capacitance value may vary by 5% more or less than 22 nanofarad. The prefix 2A is often related to the capacitor's voltage rating or its manufacturer series. In many cases, 2A refers to the 100 volt voltage rating, meaning the capacitor can safely operate up to 100 volt without breaking down. This type of capacitors are typically used in audio circuits, power supplies and timing application where the stable capacitance and low losses are required. Since it's film capacitor, it offers good stability, low ESR. ESR means equivalent series resistance, and long life compared to electrolytic types.